Hello everyone, welcome back to Honey's Galaxy. Today's video is for all the moms who've got fussy eaters. So let's get started. For this we need a chapati and fold it from 3 sides as shown in the video and cut it in the slanting direction for making the ears. Fold the cutted part inside. Now let's place it on the plate properly and top it up with favorite salads which your kids like. And in this video I have used cucumber for the eyes, and for eyeballs I have used cherries. This would be really helpful for the moms who are trying to add something new into their kids' menu. If you have kids who love animals, they would surely love this creation. This food art is very easy to make as all the things are readily available in your kitchen. Now let's serve it. I am using tomato ketchup here. You can use mango or apple puree also. Now let's have a look at the second one. For this I've used rice. Turn the rice bowl upside down for making the face of the bear. You have to be a bit careful while placing the rice. Now let's top it up with same vegetables as used in the last video. Try to make your kids' food as colorful as possible. Now let's serve it with the lentils of your kid's choice. Now let's prepare the third one, which is perfect for your snack time and a bit more exciting. Now let's cut a toasted bread into a triangle shape. And your ice cream cone is ready. Now let's top it up with the fruits of your kids' choice. You can use as many as fruits you want. In this video I have used sliced bananas. It is a great way to encourage your kids to eat more fruits. Now let's top it up with some colorful cherries. To add some sweetness, I've added caramel sauce. You can use Hershey's chocolate syrup as well. Ta-da! Your preservative-free ice cream is ready. Now let's make banana popsicles. For that you need 2 bananas, ice cream sticks, some chocolate sauce, sprinklers and dry fruit of your choice. Now let's coat the bananas with the chocolate sauce. I have mixed some Nutella and Hershey's chocolate syrup in this. As these food arts are really easy to make, so you can also get your kids involved in helping you to make this, which will also unleash their creativity. Now let's add in some sprinklers to make this dish a bit more colorful. You can add the toppings of your choice. And now let's add some dry fruits. You should always let your child to choose and let them build their own food art. Hey, look what I found! This cute little munchkin couldn't resist and started munching all the cashews. you liked my video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching us.